Welcome back to Car Vibes. Today, we dive deep into Dodge's latest creation. A car that resurrects one of the most iconic names in American muscle history and pushes it into the future with an audacious mix of raw power and cutting-edge engineering. The Venom X isn't just a tribute to the original Viper legacy, it's an evolutionary leap forward. Dodge has taken everything enthusiasts loved about the Viper and injected it with a new level of sophistication, aerodynamics, and race-ready performance that can take on global supercars head-on. Let's start under the hood, where all the magic begins. The 2026 Viper Venom X houses a hand-built 8.4-liter twin-turbo V10 engine, an upgraded version of the legendary Viper power plant. This beast cranks out a staggering 900 horsepower and 860 pound-feet of torque, sending all that fury to the rear wheels through a newly developed 7-speed dual-clutch transmission. Dodge made it clear: no all-wheel drive, no automatic dullness, just raw, unfiltered power channeled the way it was meant to be. The result? 0 to 60 time of just 2.7 seconds, a quarter mile in under 10, and a top speed well north of 220 miles per hour. This isn't a car you just drive. This is a car that demands your full attention every second you're behind the wheel. Design-wise, the Venom X is a modern sculpture of speed. It keeps the long hood and short rear overhang silhouette that made the Viper unmistakable, but brings it into 2026 with a sharper, more menacing edge. The new front fascia features a wider grille for improved cooling, carbon fiber splitters for downforce, and thin, blade-like LED headlights that give it a reptilian glare. The hood features massive extractor vents, actively managing airflow from the engine bay while reducing front-end lift at high speeds. Along the sides, you'll find aggressive channeling carved into the body for maximum aerodynamic efficiency. And at the back, a massive diffuser and an electronically adjustable rear wing complete the performance-oriented styling. Every inch of the Venom X's body was sculpted in wind tunnels and inspired by Le Mans Lovell racing. Inside, Dodge has taken a surprisingly refined approach without sacrificing the Viper's hardcore spirit. The cabin is driver-focused with a fighter jet-style cockpit. You sit low, the wide center console wraps around you, and every surface is covered in Alcantara, carbon fiber, or brushed aluminum. A new digital instrument cluster displays customizable telemetry, lap times, G-force data, and more, while the center touchscreen supports wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Though the focus clearly remains on performance, the Venom X also comes with trike-optimized bucket seats developed with Sebelt, a quick-release racing-style steering wheel, and an optional roll cage package for those planning to hit the circuit regularly. Sound insulation has been deliberately kept minimal because this car isn't about comfort. It's about raw mechanical emotion. What truly sets the 2026 Viper Venom X apart from other supercars is its purity. There's no electric assistance here, no artificial torque fill, no fake engine sounds. It's as analog and visceral as modern engineering allows. The chassis has been completely re-engineered with a new carbon fiber and aluminum hybrid structure, shedding more than 200 pounds compared to the last-gen Viper. Weight distribution is nearly perfect at 5250, and the suspension setup is fully adjustable for track or street use. Whether you're bombing down a straightaway or carving tight corners, the Venom X feels agile, balanced, and alive. Brembo carbon ceramic brakes provide incredible stopping power, and the sticky Michelin Pilot Sport Cup 2 tires ensure this monster grips like crazy, even at triple-digit speeds. Dodge is only building a limited number of Venom X units, fewer than 3,000 for the 2026 model year, and each one will be serialized and hand-assembled at the newly revamped Connor Assembly Plant in Detroit. Buyers can expect a high level of customization, including paint-to-sample finishes, bespoke interiors, wheel choices, and even racing liveries. Dodge is also launching a Track Vibes ownership experience, offering Venom X customers access to exclusive track days, racing school programs, and behind-the-scenes factory tours. It's a full-package lifestyle that taps directly into the hardcore enthusiast market. As for price, Dodge hasn't gone cheap. The starting price for the Venom X is expected to be around $190,000, with well-equipped models easily reaching over $230,000. And while that puts it in league with Ferraris, Lamborghinis, and McLarens, the Venom X brings something those European rivals often lack: a raw, mechanical soul. This isn't just a car you pose with on Rodeo Drive. This is a weapon built to hunt apexes and dominate drag strips. And it does so with that uniquely American blend of thunderous performance and in-your-face attitude. And let's not forget the sound. Oh, the sound. That naturally aspirated, twin-turbocharged V10 roars like a beast, a savage, howling war cry that crescendos above 8,000 RPM. It's the kind of sound that sends chills down your spine and alerts everyone within a mile that something vicious is coming. Dodge even developed a new titanium exhaust system specifically for the Venom X, tuned to deliver maximum volume and minimum restriction. You don't just hear this car, you feel it in your chest, in a time when more performance cars are going electric or hybrid. The 2026 Viper Venom X is Dodge doubling down on what made gearheads fall in love with the Viper in the first place: brute force, unfiltered character, and a driving experience that's equal parts terrifying and exhilarating. This isn't a car that plays by modern supercar rules. It rips up the rulebook and writes its own. No fancy driver aids beyond what's absolutely necessary. No luxury pretense. Just horsepower, torque, and mechanical grip dialed to 11. For those who thought the era of loud, aggressive, gas-guzzling performance machines was over, Dodge just delivered a clear, unapologetic message with the Venom X, not on their watch. This is a modern muscle car reborn as a true track weapon, and it's coming for blood. That's it for today's deep dive here on Car Vibes. If you're as hyped about the 2026 Dodge Viper Venom X as we are, hit that like button, subscribe for more no BS car content, and let us know in the comments, would you take this over a Ferrari 296 or a McLaren Artura? Till next time, stay fast, stay loud, and keep those car vibes strong.